Gobi 65 or cauliflower 65 recipe. Very simple but tasty recipe with less ingredients. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take some water, add half teaspoon salt, boil it. When it starts boiling, add 500 grams of cauliflower. Boil for 5 minutes. Remove the water. Keep aside for later use. Now, in a bowl, take 5 tablespoons corn flour, 4 tablespoons gram flour, 3 tablespoons rice flour, 1.5 tablespoons red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. We are not adding any food color to it. If you want, you can add a pinch of red food color. Add half cup of water, stir it. Now add the cauliflower pieces, coat them well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can fry them. In a pan, heat 3 tablespoons oil. When the oil is hot, add the marinated cauliflower and deep fry it. Fry it until it becomes crispy. Our Gobi 65 is ready. Very simple but tasty cauliflower recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.